We just took out a mortgage on this property. Now we know mortgages can be very daunting. That's why we decided to make this video to help you out. It will be very applicable to the current situation now.
Please note this is not financial advice. These are only our opinions.
Points that we're going to be covering in this video.
What the hell is going on with mortgage rates at the moment?
Should I buy a property in 2024?
Things you can do to reduce your mortgage rate.
And how long to fix your mortgage for?
Okay, so you recently might have noticed that some lenders are reducing their rates. A lot of lenders have not really had any business in the last year, so they're not looking out for you. They're just literally trying to get more business. So just keep that in mind when you're refinancing and when you're looking to invest in the property. In the rest of 2024, I don't believe that the rates will go much lower than they really are now. I think they'll stabilize around where they are, and I think probably in 2025 they'll go a little bit lower. But no one really knows this answer.
If you're looking to buy a property this year, we would seriously think twice, as the market is pretty uncertain at the moment, and this could pose a serious risk.
But on the other hand, if you're looking to buy a property long term, for example your home, then the longer you kind of like invest in a house, obviously it's going to go up in value. So then the risk is much, much lower. But as Lizelle said, over the short term, if you're looking to buy one this year, for example, and you're looking to sell maybe next year, then I would say that's pretty risky. Unless you get a very, very good discount, but it can be difficult. Another thing to be mindful of is you have to decide for yourself, is this the correct time for you to get an additional property? Are you going to be committed to making payments every month for the mortgage? For example, if you go and ask your mortgage broker, is now a good time to buy a property? Obviously, he's going to say yes, because his income is dependent on you. So in scenarios like that, think twice.
As you may already know, stamp duty is very expensive, so getting a discounted property would be hugely beneficial to you. So there's two things that can help reduce your mortgage rate, and that is putting a bigger deposit on your house and also trying to increase your income.
And just going off that point, we literally just remortgaged one of our properties and the rate we got was 4.5%, which is pretty low for this time right now. And the reason why we got a good rate is because we increased the deposit size.
And the last point that we're going to cover is how long to fix your mortgage for. At the moment, banks are giving attractive rates for 5-year fixes.
But keep in mind, if you're going to fix for 5 years, that's a long time. So for example, if you've got plans to move out of the country or relocate, do you really want to be fixing a mortgage for 5 years? And also in the 5 years, if the rates go down, you've kind of disadvantaged yourself. But in the positive sense, at least you know what your payments are going to be for the next 5 years.
But at the end of the day, it's all down to your financial circumstances.
Alright guys, that was just a short video just giving you a few tips. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just comment below. And we'll also be grateful if you like the video.
And even better, subscribe.
Shout out, because I'm going to finish the video like that.
And even better, subscribe!
Thanks. We'll respond with you. We'll respond to you in the day. We'll respond
to you as soon as possible.
Say again.
Thanks for watching. We really hope that this has helped you. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below and we'll be happy to help.